system. So you want to remove your clamps. Muffler's already been removed. So this pipe is a shroud pipe, so you've got a link pipe in there which is going into a cat. Empty in with a spanner which undoes the lamp sensor. And the whole system will slide off the cat. Carefully taken out of the head. Is to remove this, and then we tackle the cat. Full systems, the horn gets flipped, so M12, so they stick out like that standard. So for the full system, so it doesn't interfere with it. Tank forward to access that cap head there in order to bring this frame rail down in order to slide the cap down and out. So that's the next job. Okay, so that's out. Engine bolt is out. The next two are these two to get out. Then this whole thing will come down, relax into a position, just be a bit. Bear in mind the radiator mount points, and you'll have some cables here, so you don't want to put too much tension on them. Get it low enough in order to be able to slide this cap downwards and it will pull outwards. Okay, so now that this is free, just put your tension on that and your paintwork. So this will slide down and it should slide off on that grommet. And there is the cat gone. So, replace the frame rail bolt with one that is supplied with an M6 thread inside, which then becomes the mounting point for the bracket on the exhaust. It's the bolt hole service away.